Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to set up the Delivery Date Widget, a simple yet powerful tool that helps your customers choose when they'd like their order delivered, improving convenience and shopping satisfaction. Accessing the widget. To access the Delivery Date Widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Widget Group, select the Cart drawer, then go to Cart Preferences and choose Delivery Date. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Widget Group, Cart Drawer, Cart Preferences, Delivery Date. Here you can customize all settings. Label icon. Choose an icon to display alongside your delivery date label. Example, Local Offer. Heading, customize the title shown to your customers. Example, Delivery Date. Exclude days. Select which days should be excluded from delivery calculations. Example, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday. Required to checkout. Enable this option if you want customers to select a delivery date before completing their purchase. And that's it. Your delivery date widget is all set up, helping you provide a smoother, more transparent shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.